All right, now we're going to find the equation of this parabola. Given the graph, we're going to use the zeros, the x-intercepts, the roots. This is -6, 0, and this is 2, 0. And we'll write x plus 6, the opposite of that, -6, times x minus 2. To start us off with this equation. When we multiply all this out, we'll get x squared plus 4x minus 12 when you simplify it. And that gives us a bunch of different parabolas at this point that pass through these same two spots. You know, it could be a parabola that goes like this. It could be steeper, it could be upside down. There's a ton of different parabolas that pass through those 2 points. So how do we find that specific parabola? Well, we're going to put the a out front and then figure out what a is. Okay, we're going to use any point that's on this graph. We could use the vertex, anything that's like lattice points are easy ones to use. You know, these points here, the y-intercept is definitely one we're going to probably use. At 0, -3, I believe. But don't use these original 2 points. But any other point that's a lattice point on here, you could use any of those points. 0, -3 is always one we're looking for, the y-intercept, because when you plug in 0 here, then it makes it easy to solve. So I'm going to plug in -3 for y, 0 for the x's. Well, that makes this cancel and this cancel. So I just get -12 in here. I divide by my -12. So I get 1/4. So my a is 1/4. And then take that 1/4 and plug it in for a back here. Okay. And when I plug that back in, I get y equals 1/4, and then distribute it. 1/4 times this, 1/4 times this, 1/4 times that. So 1/4 x squared, because I want to put it in standard form, plus 1/4 of 4x is 1x, minus 1/4 of 12. So that's it.